What if I told you that the most powerful medical breakthrough in human history isn't a pill, it's not a $100 a month supplement, and it's definitely not a grueling hour at the gym? Right now, as you take a single step, a silent explosion of biological repairs begins. At this very second, your brain is physically growing, your bones are generating electricity, and your organs are performing a hard reset that pharmaceutical companies would spend billions to put in a bottle. Today, we are diving deep into the 10 transformative shifts that happen to your body when you walk every single day. And stay tuned, because at the end of this video, I'm revealing the FIT formula, the exact scientific blueprint for frequency, intensity, and time to turn a simple stroll into a life-saving protocol. If you see me for the first time, I am Dr. Muhammad Ali, and this is MEDISPHERE channel. Let's start at the top. Benefit number 10. The Brain Reboot. Sedentary behavior is a slow death for your intellect, but when you walk, you trigger the release of neurotrophic factors. You are forcing blood into the hippocampus, the command center for memory. You aren't just moving, you are physically building a bigger, more resilient brain and stopping Alzheimer's in its tracks. Benefit 9. The ocular pressure release. It sounds impossible, but moving your legs saves your eyes. Glaucoma is caused by a buildup of fluid pressure. Walking acts as a secondary pump for your body, regulating blood flow and lowering the pressure inside your eye. You are literally walking away from blindness. Benefit 8. The cardiac shield. The world has been brainwashed to think you must run to save your heart. Science says otherwise. A daily 30-minute walk acts as a natural beta blocker, widening your arteries and scrubbing them clean of bad cholesterol without the massive cortisol spike that comes from extreme cardio. Benefit 7. Expanding lung capacity. When you sit, your lungs stagnate. Walking is an aerobic catalyst. It forces your diaphragm to work, flushing out waste gases trapped in the lower lungs and boosting your immune barrier. Benefit 6. The pancreatic reset. This is shocking. Walkers have shown a 6 times greater improvement in glucose tolerance than runners. Why? Because walking trains your body to process sugar efficiently and steadily, giving your pancreas the rest it desperately needs. If you are pre-diabetic, this is your cure. Benefit 5. The digestive engine. Your gut is a muscle. If you don't move, it doesn't move. Walking stimulates peristalsis, the wave-like contractions that move food through your tract. This simple act drastically lowers the risk of colon cancer. Benefit 4. The muscle illusion. You don't need a gym membership to tone up. Walking is the stealth bomber of fitness. It's low impact, meaning zero recovery time. You can build a lean, functional body every single day without the inflammation of high-impact sports. Benefit 3. Skeletal fortification. Your bones are alive. When your foot hits the ground, it creates a small electrical charge, piezoelectricity. This signals your body to deposit calcium and build new bone tissue. While running can fracture bone, walking builds it into armor. Benefit 2. Spinal decompression. Back pain is the modern plague. Your spinal discs have no direct blood supply. They are like sponges that only get nutrients when squeezed and released. Walking provides this pumping action, oiling the rusty hinges of your spine and circulating nutrients into the soft tissue. Benefit 1. the chemical exorcism. You cannot remain in a state of depression while your body is in forward motion. Walking burns off cortisol, the stress hormone, and floods your system with endorphins and BDNF. It is a hard reset for your emotional state. Beyond these benefits, remember that walking in natural sunlight regulates your circadian rhythm, ensuring deeper sleep, while also boosting creativity by up to 60%. Your brain simply thinks better when your feet are moving. But you can't just stroll aimlessly. To get these results, you need the FIT formula. F for frequency. Every single day. Your cells need a daily signal to stay young. I for intensity. Use the talk test. You should be moving fast enough that you can talk, but you cannot sing. If you can sing, you're too slow. T for time. 30 minutes is the threshold. That is when the biological shifts kick in. Put on your shoes. Don't look at your phone. Swing your arms to increase calorie burn by 10%. You have the diagnosis. You have the cure. And now you have the formula. The gym industry won't tell you this because it's free, but your biology is waiting. Stop waiting for tomorrow. Start today. I am walking. Are you? Comment "I am walking" below to join the movement. Subscribe to MEDISPHERE for more science-backed secrets to take back your health.